Hello, I'm John George, Senior Director of Solutions Engineering and Fusion Splicers here at OFS. And today, what's new in my world is our new MDU Click solution for fiber deployment in buildings. With the MDU Click solution, we can defer the cost of a splitter module until we have a higher take rate on each floor. This is for a pay-as-you-grow kind of deployment for a second or third entrant into the building, or fiber to the business deployments where maybe high take rates aren't expected initially, and there's a desire to defer the cost of the build as much as possible with subscriber growth. The way the system works is we have a slim box module in the basement, the MDF, the entry point of the building, with a 1x4 or 1x8 splitter feeding through the Easy Bend 12 or 24 fiber riser cable. You can see this is a very compact cable that can fit in limited spaces. And we're breaking out a single fiber initially so we can support one subscriber per floor in the initial deployment. And then we can connect that initial subscriber by plugging in one of our Easy Bend jumpers, drop cable assembly that can go many hundreds of feet if needed, 2.5 millimeter bend radius with the Easy Bend to handle the cornering in the buildings that's often required. And then to add subscribers, as we have more than one subscriber on each floor, we simply put in place our Slimbox Flex splitter module and expand from 1 to 8 ports. And then we can reconnect our initial subscriber and connect 7 more subscribers on that floor in order to get a higher take rate as we get new subscribers in the building. So that's what's new in my world, the OFS MDU Click solution for fiber in the building.